We have this awesome gadget.
Yeah, I wanted to talk about this. So let me talk to you about the Apple Health Kit, right? If you have an iPhone, by default, you have the Health Kit, right? So you type in, if you do the app search, type in H and you're going to see it. It's the little heart icon. It's on your phone. Everybody's got it. It does take a little bit of patience to kind of customize it. So it's something you could do with mom or dad together. But what you can activate in the Health Kit is walking steadiness analysis. How are you walking? If your loved one, if dad walks around with this even an hour or two a day in his pocket, doesn't have to be worn all the time, you're going to get a great look, or he is, or your mom, at how your walking steadiness is. And it'll tell you if things change. Now, this is a little nerdy, but this is the greatest free tool out there.